Are you looking to have anytime, anywhere access of your books? Do you want your accounts to play a pivotal role in your business growth? If answer is yes, then you require cloud-based accounting solutions. This video provides you the important information on features of cloud accounting that will make it the smart accounting. Key features of cloud accounting that are discussed in this video includes bank transactions, how can we do quick and easy accounting, real-time reports and dashboard, how it can be useful in business, making the communication with the client quick and easy, recurring transactions, automation of that, user access controls, major difference between desktop-based and cloud-based accounting, what you can expect from accountant, important features, figures, facts on cloud accounting, various cloud accounting based softwares available. Let us first look at and understand bank transactions. Majority of transactions are digital, either through bank, credit card, or other online payment options. In cloud accounting, the transactions are fetched directly from bank or payment gateways. Thereafter, in cloud accounting software, you can map the transaction with the correct ledger. So, in this way, there can be no errors in values or figures, no entry is required. You need to just connect your bank, import, and reconcile. So the issues of reconciliation won't be there, and the whole process will be completed very fast, quickly, and with accuracy. With cloud-based bookkeeping solutions, accounting is no more only for compliance. Important reports like location, segment-wise profit, cost center, receivable, payable, cash flow, they all can be received on regular basis and easily available to you for any decision making. You can also share the progress of accounting and progress of other requirements with your team with the use of access control. Schedule feature is also available wherein you can set certain reports to be delivered to you automatically either weekly, daily, monthly or quarterly as per the requirement. With this, the cloud-based accounting has made it very useful while making the important business decisions. Are you facing issue of invoice generation, issue or delivery to the client and collection? Then this cloud-based accounting will certainly be useful to you. With this, you can generate e-invoice and it will be sent directly by email to your customer. There is no need to have a paper, a printout, or delivery to the customer. You can also track the sent date. Also, reminders for collection can be sent from the software, and the tracking of everything is available if required from the software. This also provide you the feature of receipt of money through UPI and other various automatic mode. In case if you want to share the ledger or account balance, the same can be shared through email easily by way of the features available in the software. Integration of the cloud accounting software with various online payment gateways will make the task more easier for the purpose of communication with the client and also collection and recording of the amount. Do you have transactions that are repetitive in nature, like rent expenses, maintenance contract, professional fees, or any periodicals? In that case, the cloud accounting will make your recording of these transactions simple. You can manage recurring expenses and recurring payments by setting the rule, and it will reduce or eliminate repetition. Even you can create the rules that will help you match the transactions which are generated by way of connecting the bank. Sharing of information is based on principle of need to know. Your data or the information is secure and confidential with cloud accounting. You can set user wise rules and even modular wise access can be provided. For example, receivables or collection that may be the requirement of one user. So you can give access to only that module. There are certain users who require to only view transaction. So either view, edit, create, delete as per the requirement of each users. The permission can be set. Additionally, cloud accounting also have audit log which is available for you to review at any time. Plus, there is no need to worry on the backup requirement. Your cloud accounting is always stored and secured. The information can be retrieved from anytime, anywhere. Let us look at the main differences between desktop versus cloud based accounting. As we discussed, the cloud accounting has the most important feature you can access anytime, anywhere that is not available or possible with desktop accounting. Multiple users can be created with different access. There is no need of installations which is required under desktop accounting. As I discussed earlier, the backup has been taken automatically. There is no need to worry about anything that may happen. However, your data is always secure with multiple level of encryption. Lot of saving by way of data entry reduce because your banks are connected, your online transactions are connected, and that will help you to reduce cost. However, in case of cloud accounting, the fees are generally based on monthly. However, in case of desktop accounting, it is only once annual fees are being paid. What you expect from accountant? First and foremost, the accounting should be accurate, no error, and should be quick as fast as possible so that the data is always relevant and updated. Second, very important thing, it should add a value. You want the accountant to really function as one of the most important part of business. Integrity is one of the most critical feature because sharing of the information and business is being done with the accountant. Various MIS reports that can be generated, and ultimately it should be useful to you in your business. Over above, the accountant should be treated as a trusted business partner. So the role of the accountant has been changed from traditional accounting to the trusted business partner based on how it provides the services. Let us look at certain facts and figures relevant to cloud accounting. 78% of small medium-sized businesses says that they rely exclusively on cloud accounting software by 2020. 85% of accountant believes that the cloud accounting is the most important and provides the competitive edge internationally. The global accounting software market size is increasing rapidly and expected to reach $117 million by 2026. 91% said it the cloud makes it easier to meet government compliance requirements. Various cloud-based accounting solutions providers are available in the market. Few widely used include Zoho Books, Intuit QuickBooks, Xero, Sage, MyOb, FreshBooks, and so on. The decision about which software to be selected it is based on the requirement of each individual company. At the end, the cloud accounting makes bank connected to make the accounting easy and quick, management connected so that the reports and dashboards are being used every time regularly by the management, customer connected with the effective communication of invoices and collection, recurring transactions automated, user access control taking care of the confidentiality of information and anytime anywhere access, and over the period this is going to further change with the use of artificial intelligence and robotic process automation. We hope that this video has provided you information on key features of cloud-based accounting. In case of any query or if you require any assistance, feel free to contact us. Thank you.